Learn English vocabulary game. Hello everyone, how are you today? That's great. My name is Vinny Vici. Welcome to Hello Baby English Vocabulary School. Please take a look at our vocabulary school at hellobabyenglish.com. We also have a YouTube channel and a Telegram channel. They are called Hello Baby English. All right, it is game time. And today we're doing verbs. We have 1 from level 1, 3 from level 2, 4 from level 3, and 2 from top level. Let's begin. Number 1. Jennifer has a problem. We will her. We will help her. To help somebody do something. She just took a shower. Now she is her hair. Drying. To dry. To dry something. In this school, the teachers, the students, once every week. And the 2 missing letters are the same letter. They test the students. To test somebody, to find out what they know. Bob is a very bad worker. I heard that the boss will him tomorrow. And if this happens, then Bob will not work here anymore. He will fire him. To fire somebody. We also use the passive form a lot with this one. Can you? The difference between Jennifer and her twin sister? This word is similar to notice. Can you notice? Can you spot the difference? To spot something also means to see. Bob is trying to lose weight. He's been for the last 2 months. He's been dieting for the last 2 months. The phone company, Jennifer, once every month. After they do, then Jennifer has to pay money. They bill her once a month. Bob's father always, his telephone calls. This means when he gets a telephone call, he doesn't just say hello. He looks to see who it is first before he says hello. He screens his calls. If it rains a lot, the river might, the town. And this is a big problem, and it might cause a lot of damage. The river might flood the town. In the next one, this person is a bad person. He broke the law, and he should go to jail. The only way that he will not go to jail is if the president, him. Is if the president pardons him. Then he will not have to go to jail. We also use it another way when we say, pardon me. You guys did really well today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.